Hi guys, I am back with another tutorial. Keep on watching if you want to see how I created this look. First, I am starting off with my Pond's moisturizer. And then I add some of my oil, rose hip oil and stuff. Just have really dry skin. Rubbing that all in. And then I take my Cover FX drops. I use that as a base before my foundation. And then I take my Fit Me Dewy foundation. I just take my finger and apply it everywhere. I have no clue what I'm saying. And then I take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and I just blend it all together. Then once I'm done blending this all in, I will move on to my eyes, come back to the rest of my face later. I start off by using my Morphe 35O, and I'm just patting that orange color all over my lid. And then I take the little bit darker orange, and I just deepen it up a little bit above, right below my crease. And then I'm just taking a blender brush and just blending those two colors together. And sort of blending it up into my crease. And then I move into my 35B palette, and I'm taking the yellow shade and starting that as a transition color. And I go back into the palette and I grab that pink shade there. I'm just placing this back over top of my lid and blending it together. Now I'm going back in the palette and taking those two yellow shades, and I'm just focusing that in the inner third of my eye just to brighten it back up. And then back into the palette, I'm going to be taking these two pink shades, and I'm focusing this just on the outer corner. And then blending it back out. And I'm grabbing this red color and popping that into my outer corner as well, just to deepen it up. Now I'm taking a makeup wipe and just wiping away any fallout, and also just sharpening up that line. Then I'm taking my Wonder Brow and I'm just going to start drawing in my eyebrows. Then I'm going back to my face, and I'm starting off with this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, cream contour kit. I'm taking that shade right there. I believe it's called Banana. And I'm having difficulties opening it. So now I'm just placing this on the high points of my face, blending it out. Now I'm going to take one of those dark colors and put them on my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. And then I'm going to blend it out with my BeautyxCourtney's Beauty Blender. And checking my phone. Now that that is pretty much all blended out, I will be taking the Anastasia powder kit just to set that contour. And then I'm going back into the palette, taking those shades, putting them under my eye. And I'm blending it out, kind of just smoking it a bit under my eye. Back into this palette, taking a highlight shade, popping that on my brow bone and my nose. And a little bit on my cheekbones. And back on my nose. Now I'm just setting my face with the Makeup Forever setting spray. And then I'm taking a pink eyeliner and just putting that on my waterline. Now I'm just placing some glue from Lit Cosmetics, and then I'm placing that glitter just over top of it. Now I'm taking my mascara and placing it on my bottom lashes. I already have lash extensions, so I'm not going to be putting any mascara on the top. That's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. My next video is going to be a mukbang, so stay tuned. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye.